So, how do you change the emotes in Magic the Gathering Arena? Emotes are basically the only way to communicate with opponents in Magic the Gathering Arena. All you have to do is to actually click here on Profile and here on Emotes. This is how it's going to open, and you can click and select the various emotes that you want and click confirm, and that is how you modify them. To acquire many of these emotes, you have to either complete the achievements, I think for this, but I'm not sure, but mostly it's by buying them. This one here in the middle are all bought, if I remember correctly. So that is how you change the emotes in Magic the Gathering Arena. There is a limit on how many emotes you can add. It's pretty simple, and I hope you have fun.